Every grain of sugar begins its journey in thriving fields of sugarcane. Modern harvesting combines precision cutting with remarkable efficiency. Freshly harvested cane is transferred immediately to preserve its natural sweetness. Early inspection ensures only quality sugarcane continues the process. Without delay, the harvest begins its journey to the factory. Fast transportation helps protect the cane's valuable sugar content. The transformation from raw harvest to refined sugar begins here. Every delivery is measured and documented before entering production. Careful coordination keeps thousands of tons moving efficiently every day. Now, the harvested cane enters the first stage of industrial processing. Fresh sugarcane enters the factory through a carefully controlled receiving system. Continuous conveyors maintain a steady supply for efficient processing. Mechanical cleaning removes unwanted material before extraction begins. Powerful airflow delivers an even cleaner raw material for production. Protective systems safeguard equipment from unwanted foreign materials. Uniform feeding ensures stable and efficient downstream processing. Precision cutting prepares the cane for maximum juice extraction. A final wash improves cleanliness before mechanical crushing begins. Final sorting delivers a consistent feed for the extraction process. The cleaned cane is now ready for the heart of sugar production. Powerful crushing mills extract the sweet juice locked inside every stalk. Multiple crushing stages recover as much natural juice as possible. Nothing is wasted, as the remaining fibers become valuable energy for the factory. The extracted juice moves immediately to its first purification stage. Fine screening removes suspended fibers before chemical treatment begins. Carefully controlled additives prepare impurities for easy separation. Controlled heating improves the efficiency of the purification process. Clarification transforms cloudy juice into a much cleaner solution. Separated impurities are removed, while valuable juice continues forward. Now the purified juice enters the concentration stage, where sugar truly begins to take shape. Gentle evaporation concentrates the juice while preserving its valuable sugars. Each evaporation stage removes more water with remarkable efficiency. Vacuum technology protects sugar quality during concentration. Automation keeps every production parameter precisely balanced. Now the concentrated syrup prepares for crystal formation. Every crystal begins with a carefully controlled seed. Constant mixing ensures every crystal grows evenly. the crystal-rich mixture moves toward mechanical separation. Centrifugal force cleanly separates sugar crystals from molasses.
Fresh sugar crystals are now ready for precision drying and finishing.
Controlled drying removes the last traces of moisture for long-term stability. Careful cooling preserves crystal structure before final grading. Precision screening creates a consistent crystal size throughout every batch. Automated inspection verifies exceptional product purity. Enclosed transfer systems protect the finished sugar from contamination. Intelligent storage maintains consistent quality until packaging. Precise metering ensures every package receives the exact amount. Advanced filtration keeps both the product and workplace exceptionally clean. Every production line is synchronized for maximum efficiency. The refined sugar is now ready for final quality verification and packaging. Every package is checked to ensure consistent weight and accuracy. Routine sampling verifies the quality of every production batch. Laboratory testing confirms the product meets strict manufacturing standards. Moisture levels are carefully controlled for long shelf life. Every crystal is evaluated for purity, appearance, and consistency. Real-time monitoring keeps every stage operating within specification. Automated inspection ensures every package is correctly sealed and labeled. Multiple safety systems protect product integrity before distribution.
Approved.
Only fully approved batches continue to the final shipping stage.
Quality assured, the finished sugar is ready for packaging and delivery. Automation prepares every shipment with speed and precision. Protective wrapping keeps every shipment secure during transport. Organized storage ensures efficient inventory and rapid distribution. Digital tracking keeps every pallet fully traceable. The finished product is prepared for delivery across the country.
Every shipment is loaded with safety and stability in mind.
A final inspection completes the production journey. And this is how modern factories produce sugar from start to finish. From harvested sugarcane to refined crystals, every stage reflects precision, engineering, and teamwork. Thank you for watching.